Hey guys and gals, ever since I put the fuel tank on this truck, I've been worried about the fact that it's got some low-hanging fruit under here. And let me get under there and show you what I'm talking about. Got some light here for you. All right, can you see this right here? That's the fuel fitting on the tank. And it's hanging just a bit low. And I wanted to give it, some sort of skid plate. But as you can see, this needs to be rounded. And then I'm going to weld it to these brackets here. But the question is, how do I round it? And the answer is standing right over here. Right up there, actually. I'm going to use a press. I'll show you how I do it. The way I get the flat bar to bend the way I want it is I put it in my press between the two horizontal pieces, and I use, in this case, a socket or something round with about the diameter of the bends I want. And I'm going to put it under here. And press down a little bit. Actually, I'm going to move it just a little bit more. And for this bend, I go till it's touching. I can't move the socket. And then 5 or 6 more pumps will put a little bend in it. Loosen it up. Move it about 1/2 inch. And do it again. And we just do this throughout the whole plate. I actually start all the way on one end, or as far as I can go. So I started on the far side there, which I'm already feeding in. And then I just keep going all the way across as far as I can go. You want to stop at about 1/4 inch because it's going to pull it downward a little bit. You don't want to slip out of there. Let's see how we did. We've got a pretty nice curve in it now. So now if I go down there, should have enough clearance. Cleaning off some paint to give us a good weld surface. Don't forget to lube up your air tools before you use them. I just do 2 or 3 drops of oil whenever I'm going to use it. Good to go. Lasts forever. There we go. Nice surface for us to weld on. Looking good. We now have protection for our piping. And that's going to be very strong. Anything that will try to come up here and hit this will just be deflected off of it, because pushing this up would require breaking the welds or spreading these two bars further apart in order to smash it up. And that's not going to happen. So I'm pretty happy with that. That'll protect our gas tanks, or at least the fittings, from anything other than a really, really large rock. Stay safe out there, guys and gals. We'll see you later.